Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the power steering on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. Here guys, stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them. You will have some hidden fuses. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix after that, guys. If you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we will share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we guys get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. For the power steering, guys, okay, things will differ today. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll be working multiple fuse boxes. The first fuse box that we need to check, actually, let me show you, it's hidden, then we'll come for under the hood. But the first fuse box, we come right here inside the vehicle. And on the left side of the steering where we have a hidden fuse box, okay, under a panel, looks like this one. When you remove the panel, you have hidden relays and a lot of other hidden relays that are hard to get to. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called VW Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. We'll teach you about all your hidden fuse boxes and fuses as well. Coming in this row of fuses, one very important fuse you need to check is fuse number 14. Okay, that fuse right here, that's fuse number 14. The number will be listed right under the fuse with very small letters. Now, guys, this is not all. You wonder what else? Well, we need to open the hood. Here things will differ a little bit. When you open the hood facing the engine, on the right side is the main engine fuse box. When you open the cover, it has that layout here. Let me show you what we have here. Now, guys, okay, here on the front, that's a 2012 to 2017 fuse box. 2008 to 2011 will differ. We'll explain about it as well. But here, what you guys have now, that's a mega fuse box. Right here, this is a 200 amp, 80 amp, 50, 50, 80. Right here, those are empty, and this is a 40 amp fuse. Now, here, guys, okay, you will have a mega fuse for your power steering. You wonder which one. Most likely, guys, will be an 80 amp, either this or that one. Okay, just consider checking them, guys. Okay, but test all of them. Okay, but most likely you have this. Since you're already here, test all of them. Now, guys, if you have a 2008 to 2011 year, the fuse box will look like this one, and that's the front of it. Okay, it's still the mega fuse pack, but it's individual fuses, which is actually, in my opinion, better design because you can individually replace a fuse instead of replacing the whole pack if one of them is burnt. But again, check these fuses. Now, relays, you don't have relays for the power steering. If you still have problems with it, we'll recommend to check fuses relays for the BCM body control module. If you want to see where they're located, we have a special video on the channel. Check it out. We're here to save you as much money as we can. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.